Hello there, welcome to the course called Azure Pipeline and App Center for Xamarin Projects. My name is Alok Kumar and I am instructor of this course. In this course, I will first start with manual or manual Android and iOS publishing processes and then compare with the pipeline based publishing of app on Android or Google Play and Apple App Store. Then we will talk about the Azure DevOps Azure, where I will be explaining you what is Azure Pipeline and little bit talk about Azure repos, Azure artifacts, Azure board and Azure test plan. So in Azure Pipeline, I will be going to in-depth discussions and showing you how it works internally and what things happen when you initiate the pipeline task and what sequence is followed while executing the task. Then I will show you Xamarin Android pipeline, where we will be create a pipeline for Xamarin Android and then Xamarin iOS app. We'll show comparison between this and then we will talk about the Azure pipeline common task, where some of the important tasks that is useful and how it works, what parameter need to be set for in this task we'll see in this course. Then we will talk about and explaining you Google Play account setup, upload key, signing key, and then we'll set up our own Google Play Store with the help of Google Play console, where we will have credential, what thing need to be set, how the value will be reflected in your store, what customer or user will see when you publish the app. Then we will publish the app manually on Google Play Store, where the account which you have already set up will see the signing key and then signing with the APK. So this is a benefit for all those who are first time using will publish the app on a store and all who started the Android developer. Then I will be explaining you iOS app publishing processes manually, how it works internally. We'll compare the distribution provisioning profile, certificates, and bundle ID, and how Apple App ID relate to each other. Then we will create all the required settings like creation of distribution provisioning profile, certificate, and certificate processes and bundle ID on Google Apple Developer Portal. Then we will set up App Store for our own app that is on test flight with the help of App Store Connect credentials. And the same credential will work here, which is the paid developer account. In this exercise, we will have like all those things we'll learn, that what parameter need to set, what value need to set in info.list file, how your app publish on from your source code machine to the Apple App Store. So we'll see here. Besides, then after we'll talk about App Center, where I will explaining you that what are the services App Center offers, like build, distribute, push, test, analytics, and diagnosis. Then we will talk about about in-depth discussion and things we'll see for releasing App Center services, where we'll talk about groups, private groups, Google Play Console, and Apple App Store. Then we will see how the distribute App Center services works. We'll publish manually there, and then we will upload the build from Azure Pipeline to the App Center. Similarly, for the Xamarin iOS app, will push the build on the App Store with the help of App Center. And we will see these are all things. We will have like workflow processes, then compare, and the last but not least, we will see some advanced topic like extension or the Azure Marketplace. Then we will see that how the versioning task to be automated in the pipeline, Azure CLI, Bash and App Center API, and some others like App Center configuration. So these are all about your courses. Beside this, I have some assignment for each chapters and exercise, some downloadable materials and external links for useful. So don't wait to start your course and learn more about Xamarin app to publish on Xamarin Android app and Xamarin iOS app publish on Google Play and Apple App Store respectively. Thank you.